Hello to you, my nail lovers. You are welcome back to Trending Nails and Hairs, the channel that's always giving you the best when it comes to fashion and nail styles. So if you are seeing the channel for the first time or you are here to subscribe to my channel, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notifications so that as soon as a new video is dropped in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, in today's video, I've selected the best and most gorgeous Valentine nail designs for you, my gorgeous queens. So just sit back, relax and enjoy this video from beginning to end in order for you not to miss any slide. So seeing this video, you see that these nails look so good and so gorgeous. You can practically rock any of them for your Valentine this February. Okay, so watch and choose your best slide. And as you watch the video, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button. Okay, like the video and feel free to share this video to your friends and to your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. Okay, I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging. Please, at the end of this video, do not forget to go down to the comment section and tell me what you feel about the video or my channel in general. Okay, and peradventure, if this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail designs and hairstyles as well. Thank you as you do that, and see you in my next video.